That was this 1989 2-ton Tech 2000 starting up. Just like the one I got starting up back home. Just this is a couple years older. Already ice cold. Sweating from last time it ran. 1989 2-ton. This had a Tecumseh compressor. Can't see the great temperatures down there. Alright guys, here we have a 1989 Tech 2000.
See, we got the whole squad crowding this damn thing.
Let's see, 19.
Nah, we're attacking it.
Maybe Tennessee. Oh damn, yeah, that is ice cold.
Anyways, here we have the rest of the units in this complex. Starting off, we got a Rude. Got a Copeland Scroll. As to what these Rudes had. 2001. We have another Tech 2000. This one actually has a new compressor. Tecumseh AW from 1995. Compressor's not original though. This unit's from 89. 1989 2-ton. Suction line's ice cold.
1995 compressor.
Here we have a reinforcer that's next door. Got a Bristol recip. Honestly, it'd be nice to catch a starter for this one. Corsair Series 2006 2-ton. 2-ton.
Here's a Weather King or whatever.
Here's the Tech 2000 we got starting up. No need to get more footage. And a Rude. This one ain't sounding so good. 2002 2.5 ton. Anyways, that concludes this complex. Anyways, thanks for watching.